Welcome back, YouTube. All right, I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on this Craftsman air compressor. It's battery powered, or you have the option to plug in, or you have the option for your outlet in your car that you can hook up like into your vehicle. I was always typically an air compressor kind of guy. I used a compressor here to plugged into the house. However, I got hooked on this little guy watching a couple other YouTube channels. What I really like, the other option too, is it's battery powered. You got the Craftsman batteries, you charge them up, pop them right in, and you can do that too. And you got your power screen down here. It has a lot of really nice features to it. And also you can use it to blow up air mattresses too. So these Craftsman batteries, I kind of have stuck with Craftsman for most of mine, where I have the weed whacker, I have drills, I've got other multi-use tools that I utilize with it as well. So just having that as an option is really nice. Now, what I like, I do a lot of stuff with, you know, I'm gonna fill up a tractor wheel here for you now, but you could use it with anything, cars, campers, trucks. So I'm gonna set, what's nice about these, you could set your PSI level. So I'm gonna set, a lot of these rear tire tractors are about 10. I'm gonna go just a hair over that to 11. And we're gonna plug her in to our mount right here. Here, mount it in. It should give us our PSI reading right now. It's low, 2.5. So let's see, we just need to, I think it's, okay, we'll restart it up. 2.5. That, what you just heard, is your other option for air mattresses. That's the air blowing out. This, what I'm gonna hit when I hit it up, is going to be your air compressor option. Okay, my battery is too low, so I need to put a new battery in, it looks like. Stand by and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. It actually was not the PSI or the battery issue. It was I had the PSI set at 2.5. Now I'm set up to 11, so as you can see. So we're gonna try it again, reset. And there we go. It does take it just a hair past what you do set it for. So, so now we're good. We'll just unclip this and we should be set right to where we need it for our PSI on that tire. Again, I really like it. I like how it shows you the PSI. And again, I was traditionally always an air compressor guy, where you had to then use a tire pressure gauge, but this kind of is all in one. I'm a big fan of it. It's something that I think if you try, you're really gonna like. Now, there are different brands, Milwaukee, DeWalt, they're all other different brands. I just happen to stick with Craftsman because that's what I had for my drills first. So I just I want to keep the same battery for all of my other tools that are the same. They all are universal and just, you know, slip right into that little area. So, all right, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. If you haven't already subscribed, just give me if you can give me a subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. And hit that notification bell. I hope everyone's having a good day. Take care.